Driving on gravel is something many Australians don't often get a chance to do, but when they do, it can be daunting. Gravel roads are not just for rally rockets and four-wheel drives. Some roads are well maintained and suitable for standard passenger cars. All that's required from the driver is a bit of common sense and care. One top tip before you get started is to set the recirculation system on the climate control. This will avoid drawing air from outside into the cabin and keeps the dust out. Just remember to put up your windows too. Now that you're on the dirt, the biggest thing to remember is that gravel has a lot less grip than bitumen. As gravel is a loose surface, it won't provide that steady, firm footing under the tyre for stable braking in an emergency. The key is to brake earlier, accelerate gently and steer smoothly. Drive at an appropriate speed for the conditions. You'll also want to stay well behind the car in front. When it's dry, dust from a car in front will obscure your vision and also means you'll have to go to the car wash more often. Dust can hang in the air for a while, so make sure you allow enough distance to maintain visibility. Vision is the key. The road conditions can change quickly, so look ahead, especially for any rough or potentially damaging pieces of road. Dropping a wheel into a pothole at speed can damage a wheel, tyre or your car's suspension. Where possible, avoid corrugations, bumps and ruts. Also be on the lookout for wildlife and livestock. Wildlife on the road is common in rural parts of Australia, and it's not unknown for farmers to herd livestock from one farm to another on roads that are also used by regular traffic. Slow down around blind corners or crests and always be prepared for hazards. Remember, you'll need to allow extra distance to stop. Driver assistance technology like traction control and anti-lock brakes can help keep you safe, but nothing beats an attentive, proactive and careful driver on any type of road.